All right, we're at a commissioning here, getting ready to turn the system on. This one is an SRP customer. New bi-directional meters put in. Let's open up this service panel box. And you will see service panel. There's our breaker. So first, we're gonna kick our breaker on for solar. We're gonna come back over here. We got our safety disconnect. Here, this gets turned on. You'll notice the SRP lock on there, which now comes up through the PV meter over to our inverter, which we're going to turn on. And then off to the side here, little toggle switch, we're going to turn it out or on or to the 1, which now fires up our inverter. It will do a self-test, takes 300 seconds, and then our system will be operational.